Once upon a time, in a deep green forest, there lived a very clever fox named Felix. He was known among all the animals for his sharp mind and quick thinking. One hot afternoon, Felix was wandering through the forest, feeling very hungry. He hadn't eaten anything all day. As he walked, he smelled something delicious in the air. That smells like food, he said, sniffing. He followed the smell, and soon reached a farmer's vineyard. There, he saw bunches of juicy purple grapes, hanging high on the vines. "Oh wow, those grapes look so tasty," Felix said, licking his lips. He jumped up to grab them, but they were too high. He tried again, and again, and again. But no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't reach the grapes. Felix sat down, tired and frustrated. "I'm not giving up so easily," he thought. He looked around and started thinking carefully. "Maybe I need a plan," he said. Just then, he saw a few stones lying nearby. An idea popped into his clever mind. "I'll use these stones to help me reach the grapes." He began stacking the stones, one on top of another. Slowly, carefully, he built a small pile. When it was tall enough, he climbed on top. "Now let's try again," he said confidently. He stretched his body and jumped this time. He managed to grab a bunch of grapes. "Yes, I did it!" he cheered happily. Felix sat under the tree and enjoyed the sweet, juicy grapes. As he ate, he smiled and said, "Being clever and patient always helps." From that day on, all the animals admired Felix even more, not just for his cleverness, but also for never giving up. Moral of the story: think smart and never give up. Every problem has a solution.